Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2023 Hyundai Bayon Premium. This car comes with the mild hybrid 1 litre petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 118 brake horsepower and returning up to 53 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 16 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 24,000 miles and comes with full service history. This colour is the metallic intense blue and looks in great condition for the age and mileage. Having a look inside, we've also got the nice clean interior, and the fabric on the seat stays in really good condition. There's an armrest and 2 cup holders in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen in the centre for your Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. A few other features I can mention: the car also has heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, climate control, cruise control on the right hand side of the steering wheel, and then automatic headlights and wipers, and on the driver's door card your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. For a hatchback, rear passengers have a good amount of legroom and headroom, and the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. Rear passengers also have a charging port there in the centre as well, which is a USB. Opening the tailgate, and you have a good sized boot there with the rear seats that can be folded flat and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've also got some extra storage as well as your 48 volt battery there, and the boot floor can also be lowered as well to increase the volume. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, rear parking sensors, the 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and also a colour reversing camera. And the car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.